We're going to switch gears now and move from reports into dashboards. The process, though, for creating a dashboard already began by creating one or more reports. We select a visualization from a report and then we pin it to a dashboard where it appears as a tile. It would be easy to confuse dashboards and reports. They both are filled with visualizations. They're both crisp and sharp, but there are some significant differences. With a report, you can have multiple pages. But with a dashboard, you are limited to one page only. However, the report is based on one data set, but the dashboard can include tiles from multiple reports and therefore from multiple data sets. And because this dashboard is limited to just one page but multiple data sets, a well-designed dashboard usually focuses on highlights of different reports, and in that way serves as a portal to those underlying reports because users can click on a tile and go directly to the report visualization that tile was created with. Reports support users using filters and slicers, but in a dashboard, there's no filtering or slicing, there's viewing. Reports can be created in the Power BI service where we created ours, but they can also be created with Power BI Desktop. Dashboards, on the other hand, can only be created in the Power BI service, although they can be shared and viewed in the Power BI mobile apps. It's also important to note that we've hit the point where it matters if you have a Power BI Pro account, because you can create dashboards and save them in your own My Workspace with just basic free Power BI. But if you want to create and save dashboards in other workspaces, you must have a Power BI Pro or Premium license. While we love our retail analysis report, it's not our endpoint. We're now going to create a dashboard so that we can share some of our visualizations and other visualizations that aren't in this report with other members of our team. There are multiple ways to create a dashboard, but the easiest way to create a dashboard is by pinning something from a report. I'm in Reading View, but if I select any visualization, below it on the small toolbar, there's a pin icon that is Pin Visual. And if I'm in edit mode, that same pin appears. I'm going to click Pin Visual. It says select an existing dashboard or create a new one. I'm going to create a new dashboard called My Retail Analysis and click Pin. Every time I pin something to a dashboard, I'm asked if I want to create a mobile layout. We'll do that later. Right now, we're going to go to our dashboard. And here's our dashboard with a single visual and also with a Q&A capability, which is to ask a question about our data. Let's grab another visualization. Let's go back to our report. And on the overview page, I like this district manager and this year's sales goal visualization. So again, click it, and either above or below, you'll see a pin that says Pin Visual. And now I'm going to put it in an existing dashboard right here. Click Pin, go to Dashboard. Two visualizations from different pages in our report. Pretty slick. One of the benefits of a dashboard is I can include visualizations from multiple reports and multiple data sets, and that I can also easily do things like apply a theme to this dashboard. The current theme is light. I could choose a dark theme. That looks like this. Do we like it? Not really, so I won't save it. And if I wanted a custom theme, I can upload a JSON theme. Or I can create a custom theme by choosing custom background, tile, and font colors. But we'll stick with our light background that we have right here. Now, if I were to click on, for example, Chris Gray in my report, it would filter my gauge. But if I click on Chris Gray here, nothing happens to this visualization. And for each tile, I can add a comment. I can chat about this tile in Teams, copy this visual as an image, go to the report that contains the visualization this tile was pinned from. I can open it in focus mode, which lets me see just this single visualization. I can export this data to a CSV, edit its details, view insights about it, or I can choose to pin this tile on yet another dashboard somewhere else, provided that I have the permission to share the report and underlying data set for this tile. Dashboards are summaries that allow us to return to the details, and this is our dashboard so far.